Kinong rep kathain lapangap kilayo banlet rep suk Syaki pentor hadin ba UDC bud SP kelahia lang salapangap hagajaka syong jengki pulit Assam banlum ya kejinglang hapadeng KR kejinglang hapadeng KR tili kisnong kelapangap West Jant Hills kelalong hapok kejinglam jong Deputy Commissioner ke West Jant Hills Abhinav Kumar Singh IS but Superintendent of Police Jakpal Singh Dhano IPS ha Assam Police Camp kabadan ha pentor hali lapangap Habakren jingilap thai khbor hadin ke jinglang disi ulong bagajing tu jo ke jinglang kolong ban penne ya ke jingia teli ke jing suk bat ke jingia trelang hapadeng kipai ba snong obat kibor Sinchar district kat ke mujing tu jong disi kipai ba nabara arliang kila yo ban pesngau ya ke jingia jengki kamta mahalor ki cakarep ki barang ya kaja ulong baka benta ke bakongsan kolong baginong rep kinyo ban lech ki hali jengki bor ban beteng ya garep karyang klem kano ke jing pentut USP ulaya thu wana kaliang jengu bopek ya ka syongsuk syongsan buat bor distrik kidang ap ya jing tha ki ba khamalor kata na ka sarkar ba ki jingya kren ba ki jela marjan handai menta ka por ka jing temu ka bakongsan ka long ban petikna ba ki nong rep ken yo rung jaki hali USP lapan paru ba ki pai ba nong syong snong khamtam ki ramba snong ba ki nong ilam snong kila ai ki jingya trelang ka babha ba ki bor Sinchar distrik ba ki pulit
अरे भाई ये सुनो तो यार नहीं वो लैंग्वेज कन्वर्टर है वो लोग जो बैठे हैं अभी अरे मेरा हम लोगों का आदमी भी हिंदी भी समझते हैं इंग्लिश भी समझते हैं सब समझ हम नहीं समझता है ये तो मैं काफी तो भेदभाव हुआ ना मैं काफी भी नहीं समझता हूँ और मैं ये तो भेदभाव हुआ ना हम अगर उन लोगों की तरफ से 10 आदमी आएगा तो हम अभी जो मैंने बोला हम लोग मैं एक बात बोलना चाहता हूँ रुको नहीं बोलना रुको ये भेदभाव नहीं चलेगा सर 4 लोग ने बोला चार है तो लेकिन 4 लोग को बोला है पूछा है उनसे वी हैव बीन लीडिंग फ्रॉम सिंस 2023 आप नया आए हैं इसलिए हम लोगों की बात भी समझना चाहिए सब नहीं होगा वन साइडेड नहीं होगा अगर सब होना चाहिए सर नहीं 4 आदमी बैठने दो आपको चाहिए 4 आदमी बैठने दो और बाहर कर दो 4 आदमी बैठने दो
तो मीटिंग में कैसे आओगे मीटिंग में जो हम लोग बुलाए नहीं तो कैसे आ जाओगे
ये
तो बाद में चलना बाद में चलेंगे चलो आप मीटिंग को डिस्टर्ब मत करो अगर आपको इनसे बोल रहे हैं ये जा रहे हैं एक मिनट जब ये मीटिंग में इनसे बोल रहे हैं ना ये जा रहे हैं
लेकिन बहुत सारे इक्वल होना चाहिए बहुत सारे इक्वल होना चाहिए
We understand the bottlenecks which are there in place. They are there from long time and we are trying our level best to sort it out. I would also like to inform that during the meeting itself I was constantly in touch with our honorable CM sir. I was briefing him what is going on and I'm sure he would be in constant touch with his counterparts. We will be submitting detailed report from both DC office and SP office and hopefully we will see that peace and tranquility recovers and comes back to this particular village forever. That is our hope, prayer and endeavor alongside the political establishment spearheaded by our CM sir, the administrative establishment spearheaded by Chief Secretary and DGP and our district administration.
Promote coordination and peace and tranquility in the temporary police camp that has been established along the border side. It was a very cordial meeting. There were 4 representatives from our side, from the village of Lapangap, as well as 4 representatives from the Tapat side. We explicitly ensured that there should be nobody who is not a bona fide resident of the concerned villages, and that was adhered. The meeting went on cordial. Both the sides discussed their issues, particularly which was pertaining to cultivation. And after some time, there were other issues also raised from the other side. But the main point is, the point of contention that our side had a bigger heart and they said that yes, if you want to continue the cultivation in the areas which are of differences, we do not have any problem. That is, the Tapat side people can come and do the cultivation, provided they cannot do any plantation related activity. Any agricultural activity which is like maybe horticulture or anything, they are okay with that, because such kind of resolution has already been passed by the village darbar. So now we have apprised our higher ups, including Honorable CM sir and Deputy CM sir, for the latest development, because the final thing, it has not been conclusive, though Tapat side has assured that our farmers can go towards the areas or they access their fields and do the cultivation from their end, and from Tappad side there will be no problem for any obstruction or any problem. We have just briefed them up about the development. Later on, once they will communicate with their counterparts and give us the instruction accordingly. We have heavy deployment of police forces, even on the field area also. We have SFTN along with multiple police people on the ground, and the same has been communicated to district administration as well as the policing on the other side. We are taking care of all the steps to make sure that this does not escalate further, and we have asked our farmers to come back today, and then we will present it accordingly today. On our side, we are ensuring that at least the access, the peace is maintained. Rest, we are waiting for the final things from our higher-ups. Once the coordination is communicated to the other side, then yes, the way it has been since ages, how the paddy fields have been accessed or how they have been living with harmony, I'm pretty sure that yes, the same would be restored back. Have been committed, and we have getting active support from our village sides, especially the headmen of the village along with the executive committee. And yes, whatever directions are passed by administration or by police under the jurisdiction of SP sir, it has been really well coordinated, and I believe even in future and there won't be much problems, though we are trying our level best to make sure that the access is being given and they are able to maintain their livelihoods. From the administration side and the police side, they have asked us to, we have jointly requested also that yes, the farmers who are accessing the field should not be hindered. At least the protection from their side should be there. But from our side also, we already have a heavy deployment for ensuring that no casualties or any such incidents get reported. Too early for me to say this. We need to discuss it with our higher-ups. Then we can comment on this.